In this video I will explain about how to download videos from Facebook to your gallery without any application. First go to Facebook Watch, then find the video you want to download. Click the three-dot icon at the top of the video. Click Copy Link. After the video link is copied, open a new window, go to the snapsave.app website. Enter the link of the video to be downloaded. Select the resolution you want to download. Please wait for your video download process. Write in the comments column if you have any questions. See you in the next video.